our next formula for or next method for calculation of goodwill is super profit method. Before I give the formula, I have to explain what is super profit. Super profit means, suppose you are investing an capital to the business and your competitor also investing the same amount of capital. The factor which helps you to earn higher profit than your competitor is known as super profit. The factor which helps you to earn higher profit than your competitor is known as super profit. Okay, and that profit is known as super profit. And by super profit method, you can calculate your goodwill. Okay, so the formula for calculating goodwill under super profit is that goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchased. Goodwill equal to super profit into number of years purchased. Now you have to find super profit. I already explained super profit means your profit will be more than the average profit earned by your competitors. Your profit more than the normal profit earned by your competitors, and that profit is known as super profit. So by formula, super profit is equal to your average profit minus the normal profit earned by your competitors investing same amount. Okay, now you already know what is average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit into number of years. Okay, now you have to learn what is normal profit. Normal profit means the amount of capital invested into the business and the rate of earnings from that amount invested. Okay, the formula for normal profit is equal to net asset into normal rate of return divided by 100. Normal rate of return means this normal profit percentage earned by all the competitors in the industry. Okay, net asset means asset minus liabilities. So our formula for normal profit is equal to net asset into normal rate of return, that is NRR, divided by 100. Net asset equal to asset minus liabilities. Okay, the full form of NRR is normal rate of return. So from normal profit we have to find super profit, that is average profit minus normal profit, and from super profit we can calculate goodwill. Goodwill equal to super profit into number of years purchased. Okay, this is a formula for calculation of goodwill. I will explain you by giving an example. In earlier question we studied what is average profit and we found out average profit is equal to 2 lakhs. Now to find super profit we have to calculate normal profit, and to calculate normal profit the details are given. Assets is equal to rupees 20 lakh, liabilities is given as rupees 5 lakh. So we have to calculate net assets. Net assets is equal to 20 lakh minus 5 lakh, that is 15 lakh. Okay, now you got net asset. We have to find normal profit. To find normal profit they have given normal rate of return as 10%. Okay, normal rate of return is 10%. So the normal profit is equal to 15 lakhs into 10%. That is 1,50,000. Now you got normal profit as 1,50,000. Now you have average profit as well as the normal profit. From that you have to calculate super profit. So the formula for super profit is average profit minus normal profit. Okay, so super profit is equal to 2 lakh minus 1,50,000, that is 50,000. Okay, the 50,000 is the profit that you are earning more than your competitors. Okay, that is the super profit factor. Okay, and that factor is derived because of your goodwill. So goodwill is equal to 50,000 into 2, that is super profit into number of years purchased. 50,000 into 2 is equal to rupees 1 lakh. Okay, in this method you can find goodwill by using super profit method. Okay,